Hello, Dustin. This is Chris Childers with Safe to Cross. Dustin, I received your pictures of the three different areas that you want to consider for railroad crossings. I'm looking at the first area, which I think you refer to as the North Crossing, and we can utilize our standard crossing arm for this application. Our crossing arms are extremely heavy duty. They're designed and built for manufacturing and industrial use. We could put a crossing arm on both sides of your existing railroad rails, and our crossing arms are 8 by 8 by 1/4 inch steel beams mounted on 1/2 inch steel plates. Now this is a couple of arms that are on our shop floor. As you can see, we utilize a 6-inch composite polymer rail, which is actually rated for outdoor applications. Our steel beam crossing arm mounts would have to mount. You would have to put a concrete pedestal of some method to anchor. We use 1/2 inch anchors in our base plates. And this is one of our arms you see in operation. Now, our cross arms are actually driven by a linear screw drive. This is an extremely heavy duty screw drive that is actually encased inside of our column. These are rated for outdoor applications and they're weatherproof. And you can see that these are totally protected from the elements. This is our crossing arm shown here, and basically we would have an environmental enclosure on top of our crossing arm, which would house the PLC controls and the power supply that we would need to activate our arms. You would have to provide 110 volts to our master arm, and in this particular application we'd have a duplicate arm on the opposite side of the rails. Now we can modify this in any way that you want to do it. We can put a high intensity LED lighting system on the front of these panels, which gives system status. And I've actually shown here it's an electronic railroad bell that is a lot of railroad crossings use this electronic bell that gives off an audible of a standard railroad crossing. We can utilize that on this system if you want to do that, or we could use a standard if you have some kind of standard audible that you like. We also have a local control push button here that you could actually activate this system locally there at the arm itself. Dustin, this is a wireless key fob that we use a lot. We have really good luck with. These are very heavy duty. They're industrial key fobs. I'm showing a key fob here that is an 8 button. In your application we could use anywhere from 1 to 8 buttons, so we can control multiple crossings or any other device that you might want to control. These have a range of about, they say 250 feet. We see these things reach out 300 and 400 feet without any problems. The key fob communicates with a receiver that's actually mounted on the enclosure with an antenna, and in your case we would actually encase this receiver inside of the panel. The only thing exposed would be the antenna itself. This is some of our crossing arms that we just recently shipped in the last couple of weeks for an application for a customer. So if you would, Dustin, take a look at this, consider this, and tell me if this looks like what you're looking for. We can custom build and design these in practically anything that you may need. Now, you had said you probably want to use stainless steel. I'm not sure that, I think our electrostatic powder coat would handle your environment okay. I don't believe that's going to be a problem because we use an extremely heavy duty coating on all our beams, and we have pretty good luck with these handling pretty much any environment. If you do want to go stainless, then we can look into that. Just let me know. But our standard system is electrostatic painted. So get back with me, Dustin, and let me know what you think, and we'll work up a price quotation for you. The other applications, the other areas would just be a duplicate of what you see here, whether we use one rail or one cross arm or two. So look forward to working with you. Thank you, Dustin, and be in touch.